Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window. Simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Go to search bar and type your troubleshoot settings. Click here to open it. Other troubleshooters. Then Windows Update and click on Run. It will try to detect the problems. Okay, now close this window. Again go to search bar and type here services and click here to open it. On this window, scroll down and right click on Windows Update, select Properties and select Start. Once done, select Startup Type as Automatic, click on Apply and then OK. Go to Extended tab, select Windows Update and select Restart the service. Now close this window. Again go to search bar, type here cmd run as administrator, select S. Now type this command carefully, sfc /scan. Now this command will take some time to complete the process. Once done, close the command prompt window. Again go to search bar and again open command prompt. To avoid mistakes, you will get all these commands from the description below. Just copy and paste on the command prompt window and hit enter to execute them. These commands are really important. After that, close command prompt window. Now we need to open command prompt once again. And follow my screen. Once done, close the command prompt window. Open system configuration. Now check this option and go to services. Now check this option, click on disable all, apply all the changes and simply click on restart. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.